guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paris, and so in this video I will be discussing some things that I do use on a daily basis while I create my videos and content for you guys. I'm sure you have seen a lot of videos on YouTube like helping you get started, what equipment to use, what editing things to use, but everybody's different, so everybody's going to share what works for them. Some people don't share everything, so I'm going to share some things with you guys. If you haven't done so already, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate you guys' support as always. So let's jump into the video. So I am going to start off the type of equipment that I use. So I personally use my cell phone right now. Starting out, you don't need the fancy equipment. Now if you want the fancy equipment, be my guest, do you boo. But for me right now, starting out, I'm going to use my 13 Pro Max 128 gigabyte phone. I do have to pay for extra storage just to shoot these long videos and then have to break the videos down. I do pay for extra storage. I do pay for 200 gigabytes for $2.99 a month with my iPhone. They also have other options, 2 terabytes for $9.99 a month, which is something that I'm going to move up to for my personal use, but you can do whatever you want. I am working towards getting a Sony ZV-1. That is like my dream camera. I just love the aesthetics of it, and I'm sure I'm gonna love the quality of it. I did look at it while I was in Best Buy, so that is something that I want to work towards. And the video settings that I have set up for my phone to get the great quality, not only is it the lighting, but you also have to make sure your video settings is set properly. And for high resolution for myself, I do use the 4K at 60 FPS for higher resolution, so that is clear, crisp, no fuzziness or whatsoever. And also good lighting does play in part of that as well. I do use my iPad right here, like to keep notes, and especially if I'm doing a talking video, to keep notes. I also use it to edit or create thumbnails for my videos. So with the type of equipment that I use to hold up my phone, I do also have a mic. It's not plugged in right now, so I don't know if you can tell the difference in the quality. I'm gonna plug it up in a second to see if you can tell the difference. If y'all can tell the difference, let me know in the comments so I can see if there's a big difference in quality, my voice quality. But I just got me a phone holder suction cup, so whenever I'm doing the videos where I'm doing my hair in the mirror, I can put it on my mirror to do the videos. Only thing with that is I can't see my reflection, so I don't have nothing showing me my reflection at all, but I will invest in that next. I think I did a video where I was washing my hair. I did do a video where I was washing my hair. It's like in the early part of the videos, maybe the third video if I'm not mistaken. It was the flexible phone tripod that I use. I have it right here. So this is what I use, like if I put it on a desk or something, or you know, you could take this with you whenever you go out, you're vlogging out in public. You can do that. Put it on the shopping cart or whatever. I have not done it yet. I have not gotten that comfortable just yet with filming, but it's coming. And then I have the tripod. My phone is on it right now. It is a 62-inch phone tripod, or your camera tripod, whichever. It's a tripod, 62-inch tripod. I did get off Amazon. And everything that I am describing, I will list it down below. See if you can find it on Amazon. So when it comes to lighting, I have two different ring lights. I have a 10-inch ring light, which is what my phone is on right now, and then I have an 18-inch ring light that my husband did get me as an anniversary present, because it's something that I really wanted, and he got it for me. But I will link that down below, see if I can find one on Amazon for the same price or cheaper. Now when it comes to editing my videos, I don't use too many apps. I use Velo to edit my videos mainly. It's simple, it's easy to use, easy to work. What I do, I use the free services on it. You can pay for the pro, but I use the free and it works just as fine to me. Now, if I want to use like pro stuff, I do take my fully edited video off Velo, export it to my phone, and then upload it on CapCut. Now, CapCut got everything, okay? I use that to do overlay, like to add my like, subscribe, notification thing at the bottom. So I do that for overlay. I also use CapCut to get my intros. You can use the intros. There are a lot of people that be on CapCut. All you have to do is search YouTube intros. You can get the YouTube intros off of there. All you have to do is insert your pictures if you are not familiar with that already. You can pay for like a template that's like what they come with the YouTube banner, the YouTube intro, the YouTube outro on Etsy. I have not done so, but I do get inspiration off of there as well. Now down to speaking of thumbnails and stuff, I use Canva. Everybody uses Canva just about, and you can use Canva for everything. I use it for my thumbnail, to make my thumbnail. I use it to make my banner, or just to edit things. I use it for everything, just about. And like with your phone, like you can take your picture, like hold your picture and it'll copy it. I don't know if anybody else noticed that with their iPhone, but if you want to just take the picture, copy it into a white blank thing, canvas in Canva, you can. I can show that to you as well. When it comes to music, non-copyrighted music, I use SoundCloud, I use YouTube. Now, there's a lot of non-copyrighted music on YouTube because just about everybody's vlogging or whatever, but I do get that off of YouTube or SoundCloud. There are other apps and stuff out there I haven't used yet, but what I'm comfortable with right now is SoundCloud. Like you can find DJs mix or something that has been mixed, your favorite song, whatever is mixed, or you can just use YouTube to find your music. Now the most important thing, I use YouTube Studio. It's gonna be your go-to when it comes to keeping track of your audience, keeping track of your engagement, keeping track of your views, your subscribers, your analytics, your overall analytics, pretty much, should I say. You can edit your videos, like your description, put your title, everything on your YouTube Studio. Now you do have to upload it through YouTube, your channel, the app, or on the computer, but YouTube Studio, you can see the analytics and everything, or make edits if you need to. And to find my trendy hashtags, I can use YouTube for that, or use the internet to find trendy hashtags for my videos. So like with braiding videos, you can do hashtag knotless braids, hashtag watch me work, hashtag hair tutorial, a bunch of hashtags. And so just overall when starting, don't be scared to start. I swear I was scared to start for numerous amount of times, but I finally started because I wanted to do something different with my life, not just work a 9 to 5, but I want the freedom to be creative in my own way. And I think I found that doing YouTube. And let me say, me thinking I'm going into doing YouTube videos, thinking it's going to be easy, it's not. The toughest part is editing and then checking your phone every 5 seconds to see if you got subscribers yet. There are going to be ups and downs to doing this. You're going to get disappointed, you're going to be crying, you're going to be mad, you're going to be happy. It's a whole roller coaster when starting YouTube, but stay along for the journey. I guarantee you it's going to be worth it in the end. And when you're posting videos, be consistent. People want to watch subscribers want to watch people who is consistent and engage into their content. If you're not consistent, then it's going to be hard to gain followers or gain engagement. And just don't be afraid to start. And all I can say is just start and everything else will follow behind it. I guarantee you. And that about sums up the video, guys. I do want to thank you to this video, and as always thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, and just look forward to the next video I plan on rolling out for you guys. Peace out.